Hello viewers, welcome to Android tutorial for beginner. Today I will show the autocomplete example of text view. So what is autocomplete? When you will type in text box, automatically suggestion the your search field data. So now we will show the example of autocomplete. Here is the autocomplete text field. You can set the mass variant. Auto complete text view. I can set the hints. Hints auto complete text view. This autocomplete text field data we will set from our activity. So now we can go to activity. Auto complete view. Auto complete find dot id dot we can set data from array adapter. Array adapter dot new array adapter. This Android and the ROID Android dot dot simple list item on not showing simple list item on slash sorry with the layout dot here is my array. So we need to create our array. This string array, suppose languages Android, iOS, Java, Node.js, Python, no, Python, the SQL, the my array, autocomplete, my autocomplete dot set adapter. Now we can run our project to display the autocomplete value. So this is autocomplete text field. We can type as like Android is coming. Suppose SQL, SQL Node.js. Is the showing autocomplete below. Showing autocomplete below. We can overview again the autocomplete. This is the autocomplete text field. Autocomplete text field. Here is the our autocomplete, and this is the my activity. At first we set the array variable. Here is the array data Android as Java Node.js, and this is the autocomplete text field is found by ID my autocomplete text view, and we can then we set the adapter, this array adapter, this Android layout simple list item 1. This is the Android built-in layout for simple layout array list, and here is the my array, and then we set the autocomplete set adapter this to this autocomplete field. So this is our autocomplete final output. Thank you.